Lesson number 2, what is growth? By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain what is meant by growth, and explain that growth occurs because of cell division, elongation, and differentiation, and also describe how growth can be measured. Growth is a permanent increase in the size or mass of an organism. All growth results from the production of new cells by mitosis. The bigger the organism, the more cells it contains. There are different ways of measuring growth in plants and other organisms. One is simply to weigh the organism. Body cells contain a large amount of water. So much of this weight will be water. This measure is called the wet weight. But the amount of water can vary, so this can give inaccurate results. A more accurate method is to dry the body out in an oven first. This is called the dry weight. This method kills the organism, so it is often used to compare growth in plants. Another way to measure growth in plants is to look at size and length. Plants can be measured from the shoot tip to ground level to give their height. Measuring across the widest part of the plant is called its spread. Height and spread are used by garden centers and plant catalogs, so customers know how big a plant will grow. Most cells are made for specific purposes. When cells divide, they may undergo differentiation. The new cells develop special characteristics to allow them to do their job. For example, red blood cells differentiate from cells in bone marrow. Similar cells may be grouped to form a tissue, such as heart muscle. Different tissues together may make an organ, such as the heart. Organs together make up a system, such as the circulatory system. A system may contain many types of differentiated cells. Plants have a very specific way of growing. When new cells are formed around root and stem tips, their cell walls are still soft. The cells absorb water into the vacuoles and they get longer. This process is called elongation. As the cell gets longer, the roots or shoots also get longer. The cell wall then hardens and the cell keeps its new shape. There are several factors that can affect the way plants grow. In winter, plants grow more slowly. Lower temperatures means slower rates of reaction inside the cells because enzymes work more slowly. Less light and shorter days means less photosynthesis, so plants grow more slowly or stop growing altogether. Plants also need nutrients like nitrates. If they don't have enough of these minerals, they may stop growing.